Number 2, people don't buy when you feel like advertising. They buy when the timing's right for them. So an email blast on Wednesday is awkwardly out of step with your customer's natural buying cycle. That's because you missed Bob. He's a Tuesday buyer, and you're early with Sally. She orders on the weekends. Out of sight, out of mind. Our system knows when each customer is primed to buy, how much they'll spend, and what will bring them in. It then connects directly to a marketing engine that makes that happen. Offers create themselves, deliver themselves, and not based on some random marketing calendar, but synchronized to each customer's buying cycle, keeping you top of mind when customers are ready to spend. And think about this. A twice-a-month customer making just one more visit a month, that's a 50% increase right there.